Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. On the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 1, given that the values from x are negative 1 to 4. So first we have to draw a table. And then we have to draw all the x values of negative 1 to 4. All the integers. So we write here negative 1, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and finally we have 4. Now, what this saying is y is equal to 2x minus 1. We simply input the value of x into the equation, and we will get y. So let's see what we get. 2x minus 1. So 2 times negative 1 minus 1. Since this is our first value, we simply get negative 2 minus 1, which is negative 3. We can write here negative 3. Okay, let's move on to the next value. 2 times 0 minus 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is just 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. 2 times 1 minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we get 1 here. 2 times 2 minus 1 is 4 minus 1, which is 3. 2 times 3 minus 1 is 6 minus 1, which is 5. And 2 times 4 minus 1 is 8 minus 1, which is 7. Okay, now that we have our full table, we can actually plot down the values. And always remember to plot them down using the x-axis first, then the y-axis. Let's do this together. So x, negative 1. We go here to the left, negative 1. Okay? Then we see that y is negative 3. So we actually have to go down here to negative 3. Okay, let's draw an x there for now. Now we move on to the next value. When x is equal to 0, so we go on the x-axis and we look for 0, which is right here, y is negative 1. So y is negative 1 is right here. We put a cross, and we move on to the next one. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So we connect the lines here. We draw a cross, next value. When 2, when x is 2, y is 3. We simply connect the lines as shown, and we move on. When x is 3, y is 5. So we look at the x-axis 3, we go up, and then y, we go 5 here. Okay. And for our final value, when x is 4, y is 7. So we go to the x-axis once again. We look for 4. We draw a line straight up until it meets 7. And we put a cross. But we are not done yet. It says draw the graph. So we actually have to use a ruler to connect all these lines. And that is our final graph. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.